DACA and travel permits.
Hi there, I'm Sergio Benavides of the Law Office of Sergio H. Benavides, located in Hayward and San Jose, California. I'm doing this video today to talk about how DACA holders can get a green card by petitions from immediate relatives. DACA is what we call dreamers, young people who came into the United States at a young age, got DACA, which is renewable and is currently being accepted by the U.S. government, provides protection from deportation, and work permit, a social security number. The problem is that DACA by itself is not a direct avenue towards getting a green card. I have a strategy to share with DACA holders on how you can actually get a green card. One of my clients, who's a young Mexican national, he's in his early 20s. He was brought here as a small child by his parents from Mexico. He's in his early 20s and he has DACA, single, and currently has no way of getting a green card by just having DACA. But unfortunately, his father passed away unexpectedly a year ago, and he mentioned to me that his father's dying wishes were for the family to take his ashes back to Mexico and to let his ashes rest in his place of birth, his country of origin. And I mentioned to him that there is a benefit available for people who have DACA, and that's called advance parole. And if you have a very important reason for travel to your home country, you can apply for that. And if the government grants it, you can go, and he did. He went to Mexico and came back, and now he has a legal entry into the United States, and that's called advance parole. In our office, we helped him apply for that advance parole successfully, and it was granted. And now, with that legal entry, and you get your stamps and your passport and proof that you were inspected by U.S. immigration authorities. Now, if my client should ever marry, he can be petitioned by his husband or wife, and he would qualify as an immediate relative and be able to do what's called a one-step adjustment of status and get a green card. He wouldn't have to apply for a waiver or travel back to Mexico and do consular process, which can be very time-consuming, unpredictable, and expensive. So advance parole for DACA holders is a big deal, and it's something that you should consider if you don't have DACA. If you have DACA, you should consider it and do it, because it's a major plus. And that's for young people who are dreamers and don't have any other avenue for getting a green card. So consider advance parole, travel outside the United States, come back, and then if you are either the spouse of a U.S. citizen or a parent of a U.S. citizen that's 21 years or older, or you're still under 21 and your parents are U.S. citizens, you can be petitioned by your relatives